Hello and welcome, I'm Izzy from Minerva. Today I'm going to talk you through one of our core ranges of fabrics, which is our Atelier Brunette linen cotton blend fabric. Now we stock it in 7 colours here at Minerva, and I'm really excited to be able to talk you through the fabric today. So hopefully you gain a really good understanding of the fabric, you get a feel for the drape and the texture and how it sort of flows and moves around, and that you find that really helpful. All of the fabric and the links will be posted in the video below, so you can easily find it if you're interested in purchasing it. And if you have any questions, please do just post a comment below and we'll reply to you as soon as we can. So what is this fabric? As I said, it is 50% linen and 50% cotton, which means that it is a natural product, which is really nice. It's naturally really durable and breathable, which is lovely. So let's just take a little look at the drape of it. Hopefully you get a feel for it here. It's moving really nicely. As you can see, it's got quite a lot of flow and movement to it. If I gather it up, I'm gathering it and just letting it go, it does crease, obviously, a little bit because it's linen. And that's one of the things that people really like about the linen fabric. It has that kind of relaxed, natural look, which is really beautiful. Obviously, it's breathable and durable, as we've mentioned. Really good weight. It's 143 grams per square metre, which means that it's sort of a mid-weight fabric. But it obviously has enough structure to hold its shape and enough weight to hold its shape if you make it into a garment. It's probably worth saying at this point that I am wearing the chestnut colour, which is this one. I am matching with this today. And these are the Pietra pants, which I've made in this. So hopefully as I'm doing this video, you'll get a feel for how it's moving and how it looks. If you would like to see more details about how I made this pair of trousers, we do have a video on our Minerva website, which is a sew along, and it shows you exactly how I made this particular pair. So let's talk about the brand. This fabric is designed and created by Atelier Brunette. Now, they are a husband and wife team who founded the company in 2013. They are based in France, but the fabric is made in India. Now they have really strong connections with their factories in India, so they understand the whole supply chain, and they also promote themselves as a responsible brand, which is great. I know a lot of our customers really value that, and it's really important actually, while we're talking about that, to mention that all their factories have all the correct certification to work within the European market. Okay, so let's talk about the colours, because this is the thing that obviously is really important when you decide to pick your fabric, and choosing the colours is probably one of the most fun bits. So in order to help you gain an understanding and appreciation for the colours, I thought it'd be quite helpful just to put them all up together so you can see them. And let's just start off, and I will tell you what they are so you can get an understanding of that. This is the off-white colour. If I just lay it up there, you can sort of see the contrast between all the other colours. This one is the blush, which has got a sort of creamy rose sort of colour, I guess, to it. This one is the ochre, obviously, a lovely deep yellow shade, absolutely gorgeous. Loving how those sort of all work together in the autumnal range, it looks really nice. This one is the cactus. This is a lovely sort of green colour. Again, it looks really nice with these colours, doesn't it? Gorgeous. This is the chestnut, which is the same as what I'm wearing today. It's a really nice sort of rusty colour, really rich. I love the softness of these colours. They're quite soft, quite gentle. This one is the cobalt, which I would say is probably more in the summer range. It is a really nice bright blue. Looks lovely with the yellow at that point, doesn't it? And this one is the Night, which is effectively a navy blue, a really dark navy blue. If I hold the navy up to the white, you kind of get a feel for that there, can't you? So there we have it. Those are our 7 core colours. So if you're really liking the look of this fabric and wondering what you could possibly make with it, we do have some great suggestions for you of some fantastic patterns that would work really well. So this type of fabric is obviously a linen and cotton blend, so it's going to work with some really nice woven patterns, patterns for woven fabric. And because it's got that nice linen quality as well, it works really well with natural sort of relaxed looking flowing garments, but also does work well with some structured items like maybe a structured blazer or the Pietra pants that I've already shown you. So other patterns that we would recommend would be the True Bias Rory pattern. This is a lovely jumpsuit, really nice and relaxed, looks really good in the summer. It's got some nice sleeveless versions, and on the pattern itself, on the pattern cover, she's made the sample in this beautiful blue fabric, which is very similar to this, and I think this would be the cobalt colour would be a fantastic match if you wanted to recreate her exact look on the pattern cover, which is always fun. If you're looking for a more structured dress, maybe you might want to consider the Closet Core Patterns Elodie dress. Now that's a really nice wrap dress, really simple, it's got fantastic reviews, so do take a look at that. I think that would be gorgeous in any of our gorgeous colours that we have here. What else would I recommend? I think also the dress shirt by Merchant and Mills is a really nice, relaxed, simple dress. It's got a lovely hem to it. What else would we recommend for menswear? We have the Simplicity pattern, which is, let me get the number right, 9279, Simplicity 9279. And that is a men's shirt and trousers, which would be fantastic. So take a look at that. Again, it's a very relaxed style, so works really well with this type of fabric. And finally, if you are a beginner dressmaker, you might want to check out the Tilly and the Buttons Lotta dress, which has a really nice simple neckline and is just throw over the head with a nice elasticated waistband. So that's great for beginners. I think it took me about 3 hours to sew up, so not long at all. Great for a Saturday, quick Saturday sew if that's what you fancy. And finally, I thought it'd be really helpful for you to see my version of the Pietra Pants View B, which is made in this linen cotton blend. It's looking really nice. You can see it works well with the elastic. It's just really comfy and the gathers work really well. It has a really nice crisp finish to it, but still relaxed feel. Really movable, really comfy to wear and to manoeuvre around in. If you want to follow our sew along, then feel free to click on the link below the video, and there are far more details of this fabric and how I sewed up these Pietra pants by Closet Core Patterns. Here are some detail shots just to give you a feel for how it looks up close. So thanks for watching this fabric focus video. I hope that you found it really helpful and interesting. If you've got any questions, please do just post them below. We're always happy to answer your questions. And all of the items, patterns, fabric, colours, everything that we've mentioned will obviously be linked below in the video, so you should have no problem sourcing that on our website at all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining.